Hello everyone, this is RM3. This is the engine out of my stretched G20, Radical G20. It was in a wreck last week and it pretty much almost destroyed the frame. The interesting part was that the custom frame that I have, the base frame for the Radical G20 I made, the heavy duty frame, pretty much saved everything that was connected to it in reference to the engine. So the engine I think survived very well, but to make sure, I'm going to put it on the stand. I already fired it up to where it would go in idle, and I have a RPM meter right there, and it's set up with a 14x6 prop. Y'all can see the number there, so I can zoom in on that. And that prop will allow me to get up to the operating RPMs for this model helicopter that this engine is set up. That's also a larger high-performance carburetor from Dave's Discount Motors, and of course the V2 muffler. And that V2 muffler survived. It got scratched up a little bit. It got a little dent on the side, but other than that, it survived very well. So I'm going to go ahead and start it up and see if we can get see what kind of peak RPMs we can get with it. Like I said, this sensor is tied to the ignition, so it reads directly off the ignition. Let's see what she does. I'm going to try to hold the camera at the same time I'm doing this. It's not going to be easy, but hold on to it, otherwise it'll fly away. Working. All right, excellent. It's not bad for a little 20cc stroker motor. Struck to 22. Custom crankshaft, titanium connecting rod. Not bad. Very happy. It's still working. Now let's see if I can get some parts in, rebuild my helicopter. This engine will go right back in.